Welcome. In front of me I have the MIBRO Watch C2 and I'll go over unboxing of this watch and a quick look. So anyway, let's just pop it open. We do have a quick info right here. So this comes with a 1.69 inch nice display. Now popping it open. Failed at that. There we go. There we go. So popping it open, if I can actually figure out, there we go, how to do that. We have relatively light box. Watch itself down here. And just like yoink it like this, there we go, that will be probably easier. So for some reason it's not booting up. I have a suspicion that I need to plug it in. So let's quickly do that and see if that will change anything. No. Oh, it's completely discharged. Oh well. So there we go, that's all we have in the box: a charger, watch, and just quick starter guide, and that's about it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.